my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I do use canned foods, but I prefer making them from scratch if possible. Tomato puree is one of them. It's easy to do, plus I'm in control of the amount of sodium I want to add. Now, if I only need a small amount of it, I also have another way to make it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
The first thing we'll do after they're washed is to cut the tomatoes in half and then half again. It doesn't have to be perfect. From here, we'll move on to the stove. We'll put the tomato pieces in a pot and set the heat to medium-high. Within a couple minutes, the temperature will help to release the juices from the tomatoes. So we'll leave them on that setting for 5 minutes before reducing the heat to medium-low. We'll let them simmer for 15 minutes. While they're cooking, what I like to do is to break the pieces with the tip of my spatula. That way, they will cook more evenly. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and transfer the tomatoes to the jar of a blender. We'll add a small pinch of ground sea salt, put the lid on, and process until the tomato pieces are pureed, about 30 seconds. It's that fast. Now, there's 2 options. You can run it through a fine sieve sitting over a bowl and discard the seeds and skins, or, like I do, simply use it as is or put it into containers for later use. It makes about 3 cups. Next, here's a quicker way to make a tomato puree substitute. This is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and to this we'll pour in a tablespoon of water and whisk to combine. If you want it a little more watery, add half a tablespoon more. This one is great for when you need a small amount.
As you saw in this video, you can make a batch of it or simply use my other quick substitution. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!